Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, these are 8mm. Okay, I've got them all laid out so I know where they go. I've got an old four-wheel drive floor mat from the old Suzuki we used to have. Works out well as a catch can. Okay, and that clears the exhaust nicely, so it's interesting. The gasket's actually broken. I wonder if it just tore then.